Hi there, I'm Natasha Calzatti from Samy's PhotoSchool. In this 2-minute tutorial, I will show you some hidden settings within the crop tool. Of course, you know how to use the crop tool, but let me show you some hidden settings that will help you create better compositions using the layout options in the crop tool. Let's explore the crop tool in Lightroom. If you're in Develop module, you can click on the crop, or you could press on the letter R on your keyboard. That will get you to the crop tool. And as you can see on the top right corner there, you have different proportions. You can crop to a constrained crop, or you can unconstrain your crop by opening up the lock symbol. We can also straighten our angles. But what I would like you to show you here is a few tips. So by default, you are viewing it in the rule of thirds. Well, let me show you some other rules. If you press on the letter O, you will see a different kind of rule of thirds in diagonals, or in quarter shot and centered. You can see exactly where the center is, or the triangles for composition, or another different type of rule of thirds, or the golden spiral. Or notice here you have the different proportions for 5:7, 2:3. Press on the O again, it will rotate you to the grid view, and once again to the rule of thirds. If you press on the letter X, it will give you a vertical crop. So if you press on the letter X again, you will get back to horizontal crop. Be very careful with the letter X. If you are not in the crop tool, it will reject your image. So let's take a look at how we can use this type of crop tool. I'm going to press on the letter O, and the letter O again, and the letter O again. So here's a compositional tool where I can place my area of the church at San Miguel, where we did a workshop, right in that corner. I could expand the image, so this way the second church is in the other triangle, so this will give me a stronger composition. If I press on the letter R again, it will take me to that crop. Press on the R again, it will take me back into my crop tool. I'll press on the O once more, and let's take a look at the golden triangle. The golden spiral. Now, these are called rules, but really I would like to think of them as suggestions. And this will just allow you to create a somewhat stronger composition by turning your golden spiral point of view right into the church. Press on the letter R, and there's your crop. If you found this tip helpful, let us know in the comments below, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's all for this quick tip on the crop tool. Tap the subscribe button below. That would really help us out. And check out my online classes at samyspphotoschool.com. I hope to see you next time.